Attention LegalTech community. We all work with documents. That's why your software application should have full-featured document editing functionality. And I'm not talking about some features. I'm talking about all the features. In other words, your users should have an identical experience working on documents within your application as they do with native Word or Excel. Introducing ONLYOFFICE Docs Developer Edition. It's an award-winning document rendering engine with all the features we know and love, plus the collaboration functionality similar to that of Google Docs. You can install it on your own server, seamlessly integrate it with your own application, and white label it. It is scalable to any number of users, even if you have thousands. Let me show you what it would look like as part of your software. Go to onlyoffice.com. Hover over Products and Features. Go down to Docs Edition, Developer Edition. Scroll down almost to the end of the page. Here you can see the document opened in the iframe. You have two options: open it in an iframe or open it in browser in a separate window. We'll get to it in a minute. Check out all the great features. To see the way it opens in a separate window, click More Examples, and it takes you to the page for developers. You can test different formats here. This is DOCX. This is Spreadsheets. Format Excel SX. Look at all the features, pivot tables, everything. And PowerPoint, PPTX. Notice that the page for developers is api.onlyoffice.com. We also have functionality called Document Builder, which is a separate module. This enables you to open documents without a document editor by using JavaScript from within your application. Check this out on your own. I'm going to leave you with some information, some links. If you want to talk about licensing, schedule time to talk to us. If you have any technical questions, we can schedule time. I'll bring in some people that can answer those. I appreciate your attention and hope to talk to you soon.